Hello and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. We're going to be talking today about frost covers, and this is protecting one of my sunflowers that for it anymore. We have this covered here so I can collect the seeds off of it when they're ready. I put a hoop in here to keep the frost cover off of the plants because you don't want your frost cover laying on your plants. You want an air barrier between there. So that's why I have this in here, and then this is weighed down with rocks and different things so that the air can't get under it and blow the frost cover off. Now, frost covers can protect against frost. They cannot protect against freezes. So if they're calling for a freeze, you'll want to move your stuff into a frost-free area or into your greenhouse or your house or something like that. I was actually going to dig this sunflower out, but when I looked at it, it had some pests on it. I didn't want to take them into the greenhouse, and it's almost ready that I can harvest the seeds off of it. So I'm thinking maybe like in a week I'll be able to get the seeds off of it. And there are different types of frost covers. One is the plankton. I do use that one. That one's a green one. This one here is a white one. And they have saved our crops multiple times already. So it is something I do recommend having on hand, especially for in your spring and your fall months when you're not ready for your stuff to get hit by a frost yet. And these are a great way to extend your growing season. We've used these already to cover our lettuce and different early crops when it was going to get cold out. You just want to make sure that you have that air barrier there. Now, you do want to take these off during the day if it gets warmer out because you don't want to cook your plants. You just want to protect them from the frost, and this can also help protect them from wind damage when it's really cold out. Because not only can you get a frost, but you can also get frost damage to your plants by the wind blowing because you can have a wind chill to it. So these are great to have on hand and to have around. I honestly wish I would have gotten more of the plankton ones when I got them a few years back, and they had them at a really good price on sale, but I didn't know at first how well that one was going to work as a frost cover. And I had only gotten one at the time, and I wish I would have gotten a lot more of them. This one here came from Gardens Alive years ago, and we let it dry and stuff before we put it away. But these will also work great for covering, like if you have the hoops in that you put your pest netting on, you can drape that over it, and the hoops will keep the netting off of your plants. Or you can use something like this fencing here. Just make sure that your frost cover isn't touching your plants. It's sort of like a floating row cover in a way, but it's a frost cover. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.